Welcome to Sony stand at ISE 2026. This year we are super proud to be presenting our new lineup, the Bravia BZP series. They come in BZ30p, BZ35p and BZ40p. What's so exciting is that they are all with our deep black non-glare technology, meaning that they all come with haze. So the 30 and 35 come with standard 25% haze, and the BZ40p has 47% haze. Here you can see the difference between our previous lineup, the Bravia BZL series and the BZP series. As you can tell, the top one, the P series, has the anti-glare technology, making for the perfect picture quality. You will also notice that we have a new bezel on our product, making them slimmer and more adapted for the professional needs. Also, the VESA is centered, making it easy to install both in landscape and in portrait. We believe that it's important to keep sustainability in mind for everything we do, and the new product has up to 43% recycled plastic and a low total cost of ownership. Here you see the new Bravia BZP series, the 40. This comes in sizes from 55-inch all the way up to 85-inch. It has 47% haze and with our deep black non-glare technology. That means that you get the best anti-reflection on the market while maintaining the deep blacks in the picture, not compromising on the picture quality. And here you have our BZ35p, which comes in the sizes from 43-inch all the way up until 85-inch. This has 25% haze and also with the deep black non-glare technology, giving you the best picture quality, not compromising on the blacks or the contrast.